Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a declutter and organize with me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Whitney. I do a lot of cleaning, motherhood, lifestyle videos here on my channel. I'm a mom to two little ones and I absolutely love them to death. So if you guys like that kind of content, be sure to subscribe because that's pretty much all I do on this channel and I absolutely love it. Okay, hopping right on into the video, I did start with this one random cabinet in our kitchen. Everything else that I do is actually in our master bathroom, but I really needed to just declutter this cabinet. There was just random things in here, things that needed to be thrown away, mugs that were kind of old and chipped and all that kind of stuff. So I just quickly went through this cabinet and got rid of anything that needed to be thrown out. So first I'm going to take everything off of the bottom shelf here and I'm going to go through all of this stuff. Most of it is just medicines and first aid kind of things, but we have a lot of medicines that we don't really use anymore or that need to be thrown out because my daughter had thrush for a while, so I didn't want to reuse those medicines that she was using during that time. So I went ahead and tossed them all.
Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know, youth is wasted on the young, on the young.
And then you're just gonna see me kind of organize them into this little bin that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna put that back on the bottom shelf because that just seems to be the easiest place to keep these kind of things for us, and it just works the best.
Time to go. Engines running, we're on our own, running on an endless road.
Moving on to the mugs, like I said, there was just some mugs that we don't really use hardly ever, some that kind of smelled funky that were left in our car for too long and the smell just never really went away, so I went ahead and tossed those.
I see the light behind your eyes is fading.
And then you'll just see me put them back on the shelf in somewhat of an organized manner.
Everything you've done, you know youth is wasted.
And then this top shelf doesn't really need to be decluttered or organized. This is just our cups that we use in our little collectible type of shot glasses and stuff like that, but I did have this Halloween glass that I just needed to put away with the decor, so I went ahead and did that. And then I have this Santa cookie and mug set that my mother-in-law gave me that I'm just unwrapping and putting in here as well. I had pulled it out with all of our Christmas decor, but I never got around to actually taking it out of its wrapping.
Yeah. Everything you've done, you know youth is wasted on the young.
Moving into the master bathroom, this is where I'm going to be doing the majority of the declutter and organizing. The bottom of our sinks are a mess. Our closet, linen closet, is an absolute disaster. Things just need to be gone through and thrown out, so you're going to be seeing me do that in this video.
On the young, on the young.
I did bring up all of the products that I had taken out from downstairs to put up in our bathroom as well.
On the young.
So starting out, I'm going to start with my side of the sink. And this is seriously such a disaster. My son loves to come in here and play with all of my products, makeup, all of that stuff, and instead of putting them back in nicely, we kind of just throw them under there just because we know he's going to get into them again. I did buy some magnetic locks for these cabinets, so I am going to put those on as well so that he doesn't keep getting in here.
Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.
And then before placing everything back in, I am actually going to clean this out because I didn't do this when we moved in. So there's a lot of sawdust left over. Like I said, when we moved in, we kind of just threw everything in places because I was about to have a baby. We didn't have time to like do anything crazy. So I'm taking this time and I'm actually going to clean out the bottom of these cabinets.
Give up 'cause nothing was changing, but with you it's so clear. And now that you're here, I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally...
Okay, now I'm going to go through all of the products themselves. I'm going to throw away anything that I haven't really used or things that are almost gone. I have a lot of products from my pregnancy that I never even used that I'm going to see if my friend wants. I feel like I have way too many products and it just becomes a little overwhelming.
Feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by.
So this is everything that I am keeping, and then this is everything that I'm either gonna donate to friends, family, or throw away. Okay, and now we begin the organizing part. I am going to start by wiping everything down because things were kind of sticky and dirty. So I want everything to be nice and clean before I put it back in there. But I did try my best to organize this the best that I could. I would like to get more bins in the future, but for right now, this is just how it's going to go down.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes
Moving to my husband's side of the vanity, he doesn't really use the bottom of his vanity, so this is where we store just cleaning products, things that we're not really using a whole lot, and our electronic toothbrush boxes. So you guys will just kind of see me straighten this up. Everything that you see we're keeping, I'm just kind of fixing it.
the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
And again, here's a little glimpse of everything that I'm getting rid of. Okay, and now it is time for the closet, and this is actually later in the day because, you know, mom life. I had some duties to fulfill, so I decided to do this after my kiddos went down for bed. But I am going to start by taking everything out of the closet first so that I have a nice clean slate to start with. And then same thing as before. I'm just gonna go through all of this stuff. I did end up keeping the majority of it, but there was a few things that I did toss. But really, these bins just needed to be organized a little bit better.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me.
And now I'm gonna begin just putting everything back into this closet. I did keep pretty much everything from this closet. I just needed to organize it better, so you'll just kind of see me placing things back on their shelves. And if anybody knows how to fold a fitted sheet, please let me know in the comment section because I have absolutely no idea how. Okay, and then I just brought up this large storage bin, and I'm gonna actually put our blankets in there so they're not just kind of falling all over the place and they have a spot, because that was driving me crazy. So happy with how our closet turned out. It just feels so much better and more tidy. I would like to get matching bins for everything one day, but guys, I'm not really a Pinterest mom. I try to be, but let's be honest, I'm not. And then I still had some products left over from downstairs that I had forgotten about, so you're just gonna see me putting those under my sink as well. Yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for this declutter and organize with me. I feel so much better that these things are done. I've been meaning to do them. I just, haven't really had the time, so I'm so happy I finally found the time to do it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you love content like this because I would love to have you guys join the family. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.